Good morning, students. Today we'll discuss how to make bookmarks. See, students, bookmarks are very much useful for your copy, for presentation purpose. It is fixed with the copy, so you will able to know that from which page you have to show to your teacher, and even index, where the index, where the chapter. So bookmarks we have to make, and I have taken 4 centimeter side. Okay, so first I will draw the net diagram for bookmarks, and then I'll cut the net diagram, and after pasting I'll show how it can be used. Okay, let us start. The case 1 is the bookmark. For this we require any color chart paper, scale, pencil, puncture, that's a lace or rope or wire or thread, and we have to take one scissor and Fevicol. Of course, pencil also, geometry kit total we require. So let us start the bookmark. Okay, first I have to draw 8 centimeter line. Okay, so and the midpoint, now the midpoint here. So this one 4 and this one 4, and now this will convert into rectangle. So 8 centimeters length and 4 centimeters width. So here see, okay, so this is a rectangle, 8 centimeter length and breadth is 4 centimeter, and middle, from middle, now this is 4, so this one. Okay, now we'll draw the border. This one case 1. Okay, this is the case 1. Now after folding, this is the border. So after folding you will get like this. I'll show you. And the border will be like this. Okay, and after folding it will come like this, and here you have to make a hole using the puncture and using the lace or thread. We'll make like this one. So case 1. Now come to the case 2. Case 2. Again you have to draw 8 centimeter line. You can take as for your requirement and take the midpoint here. Then I'll draw the square. So this is 4 centimeter side square. Now I'll join this one. Now here so the border, and after folding and pasting it will look like this. Now see, 4 centimeter. This is the side. Okay, this triangle will come this side. So we'll make a hole here again, and by using thread. Okay, so case 2. Now come to the case 3. So first one is the rectangle converted into squares, and we made the square. Okay, and here a square and triangle. This is a right angle isosceles triangle. Okay, next again you will draw here 8 centimeter line. Take the midpoint here at 4. Now you have the perpendicular line. Okay, this is the 4. Now join this one. So this become right angle isosceles triangle. And now the border. Is the border. So after cutting and folding, you will find like this. So it will look like this. So when you will use other color, it will look very nice. So now it is a hole. Again this one is this side. Okay, like this you have to put the thread here. Now come to the fourth case, bookmark fourth case. Here we will draw a semicircle of 4 centimeter side. So this is the diameter of the semicircle, the 8. So here 4. Okay, and here, right. So here we have to taking 4 centimeter side. You can take 5 or 4, 3, depending on your requirement. Now here okay, so this is a semicircle. Okay, now when you will fold it, it will look like this. This become part circle. So here the 4 centimeter, 90 degree. After folding, you will look like this. Okay, so this one, see this one, the 4 centimeter, right. So this is number 4. Now I have to put a hole, then threading. So this is bookmark number 4, fourth case. Now come the fifth one. Fifth one again, we'll take the 8 centimeter. Four. Okay, so join this side. So this one of 4, and this side will make a quarter circle, taking 4 centimeter side. So I've done like this. So now this one you see. So after folding, you will get like this. The 4 centimeter. Okay. So this is 4 and this one 4. I will find one triangle, the right angle isosceles triangle, and quad circle. So here now you have to make hole and fix a lace or tape. This one case number 5. Now come to the 6. Now see. So various shapes you are using. So this one so 4, this is 4, this one 4, this one 4, each 4. Okay. So you should not get confused. Right. Now come to case number 6. Now case number 6, I have taken the semicircle 8 centimeter diameter. I have drawn, taken the midpoint, that radius is 4 centimeter, 4 centimeter. So right angle, this also radius. Okay, and here I have to draw a semicircle and taking 1 centimeter width, another semicircle, right? And here you have to draw the sawtooth for sun ray. So now border. Okay, so after cutting and pasting, you will find like this, the 4 centimeter, this also 4 centimeter, right? So this is the border. So using rectangle, square and circles, we are making bookmarks. So this one, this is over, and for this is 4, this one 0, this is hole, this one, and here you will get like this. Okay, now come to the next case number 7 for bookmark. So again I have drawn eight centimeter, and the midpoint is here. So 4, 4. So this one also 4, right angle I have taken. So I will draw to isosceles right angle triangle. Right, now the border. Okay, now I have to draw sawtooth. Sawtooth, so this way, So now this will be look like this after folding and pasting. Okay, so next again this one, case number 8. We'll draw 8 centimeter line. We'll take the midpoint here also. Okay, now we have to draw 4 centimeter semicircle, and from here taking 4 centimeter side we'll cut, so it will look like this. So this way you can make various shapes, no problem, and it will look beautiful. And you can always use the waste paper. See, while you are making some project, you must have many small piece of papers. Don't throw it, use it. Okay, so this one 4 centimeter, this one also 4. So this one 2, this one 4. So here, after cutting and pasting, this one 4, this one 4, okay, and this one 2 centimeter. So here again the threading. Okay, now we'll cut the figure one by one, and I'll show you how it will look. So I'm cutting from here. This is one piece. Okay. So after cutting the net diagram of bookmark, it will look like this. This is case 1, case 2, case 3, case 4, case 5, case 6, case 7, and case 8. Now see, we'll fold this one. So like this, you have to fold and like this. So this is case 1, very simple. Okay, and we'll put here clavicle. So this one case 1. Okay, now case 2, again this one. Now fold it. And this side also. So this one case 2, it will look like this, you see. So when you will use color paper, it will look more beautiful. So this one case 2. Now come to the case 3. Now see, so we'll fold like this from the middle. Now this one. Now again pasting. Okay, so this one like this. Now come to case 4. Case 4 also this is border. Fold the border for the sides. Now see this one. So this way. Okay, so this is case 4. Now this one case 5. So here again I'll put this one. So this way you can make a various type bookmark. You can use different shapes. Different, see. Now see this one. Now come to this one. Now 6. Now 6th one. So I'm using a star type. Some fold. So when we use color chart paper, that will be more permanent. I have not used because in videography sometimes the lines will not visible, so I have not taken the help. Now next one. So this way for all subject, homework, classwork copy, you can use it. So next one, this one. Last one, this is 8th one. Case 8. So this one. Okay. So this weight is over. Now see how it can be used. Now see this one. What I will do, this one I'll punch here. I'll make a punch. Okay, so this is okay, and here also I'll punch this one, and here this one also. So here, okay, and again here. So I'm making this one holes, and here and this one also. Okay, so now you can take a thread, right, and using thread, so you can take this much thread. So you can tie here. You can tie. Okay, and see, I've taken an example. So you can take a copy. Now see this one though. Now this one here, the copy, so you can use like this way, this one you can fix. So this one the index page. Okay, so at a time, suppose this one, so at a time you can use it, right? So this way, so both the side you can show, and this one you have to fix here, right? So you are fix here, so it will be right. And this way you see, you can taken this one, you can fix like this or like this. So both the side you can use it, right? So this way or this side or anywhere you want to fix. Now see, these are all bookmark. So only you have to fix the things. So this way you can show your both the pages, okay, to your teacher, and to look beautiful. See this one, right? See this way. For beautiful you can use lace. So if you use lace, it will look more beautiful, right? So this way you can decorate your copy and book. Okay students, so this is very much helpful. So as you are having 5 to 6 subjects, and for this for you require 10 copies classwork homework. So by using this bookmark you can present your copy nicely. Thank you.